Is your snake plant not growing? Months, maybe even years go by, and it looks exactly the same as the day you brought it home. No new leaves, no movement, completely frozen in time. Most people think this is normal because these plants grow slowly, but that is a huge mistake. Your plant isn't naturally lazy, it is just sleeping, and it is craving a specific stimulus to wake up. But don't worry, you don't need to buy expensive chemicals. In today's video, I am going to tell you, add this to your plant and watch it burst with new shoots. Yes, a massive explosion of brand new, vibrant growth using one simple natural ingredient. Stay with me until the end, because I will show you the exact step-by-step formula to revive your plant's energy in just days. The silent killers of growth. Before we reveal this powerful secret, you need to understand why your snake plant is currently stuck. There are two major mistakes that almost every plant owner makes. The first is the dark corner trap. Because Sansevierias can survive in low light, people put them in dark hallways, but surviving is not the same as thriving. Without proper light, the plant enters survival mode and will never have the energy to produce babies or pups. The second mistake is compacted soil. Over time, the soil settles and becomes as hard as a brick. The roots get suffocated, and the new shoots, which are incredibly delicate when they first start underground, simply cannot break through the hard surface. They end up dying before they even reach the light. The secret ingredient: rice water. So how do we solve this and unlock the ultimate potential of your plant? We do it by activating the root system using a powerful nutrient-rich ingredient: rice water. Yes, the water you usually pour down the drain after rinsing your rice is pure gold for your snake plant. Why does this trick work so well? Chemical fertilizers often shock the sensitive rhizome of the Sansevieria. Rice water, however, delivers a gentle, natural boost of starch, nitrogen, and potassium that acts directly on the underground heart of your plant. It feeds the beneficial bacteria in the soil and triggers a sudden hormonal reaction that sends a clear signal to the roots saying, the soil is safe and rich, it is time to multiply. The step-by-step application formula. Pay close attention because the way you prepare and apply this rice water is the real secret to success. Follow this exact ritual. Step 1. Soil aeration. Take a small wooden stick and very gently poke a few holes into the soil around the edges of the pot. This breaks the compacted soil, allows oxygen to reach the roots, and creates effortless tunnels for the new shoots to grow upward. Step 2. The temperature. Ensure your rice water is strictly at room temperature. Never use it straight from the fridge, as cold water will shock the tropical roots and stop growth entirely. Step 3. The ring method. Do not pour the rice water directly onto the base of the leaves. Instead, pour it in a slow circle around the edges of the pot. This forces the roots to expand outward to search for the nutrients, which is precisely where the new shoots need space to pop up. The 14-day transformation. Once you do this, move your snake plant to a spot with bright, indirect sunlight for at least 2 weeks. Light is the raw fuel that will turn the nutrients from the rice water into rapid growth. Within 2 to 3 weeks, you will start to notice the soil bulging near the rim of the pot. That is the exact moment. Those are the powerful new pups pushing their way through to the surface. Soon you will see exactly what the title of this video promised. Your pot will literally burst with new shoots, growing thick, vibrant, and strong. Beautiful plants are the result of understanding what they need. If your snake plant has been frozen for way too long, give this simple rice water method a try this week. But I want to hear your story. Comment down below with the word GROW if you are ready to try this today, and let me know how many months or years has your plant been stuck without a new leaf. If you found this secret tip valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and click that subscribe button right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.